Allah will change your life. A young woman felt lost and stuck in her life. She struggled with anxiety and depression, and no matter how hard she tried, she couldn't seem to find peace or happiness. One day she stumbled upon verse in Quran that changed everything. Verily, Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change what is in themselves. She realized that she had been waiting for her circumstances to change, but Allah was waiting for her to change herself. She began to work on her faith, praying regularly, reading the Quran, and seeking guidance from Islamic scholars. She also started taking small steps to improve her mental health, like exercising and seeking therapy. Slowly but surely, he started to feel a sense of purpose and peace that had never known before. Her anxiety and depression began to leave, and she felt a newfound sense of confidence and hope. She realized that Allah had been with her all along, guiding her and supporting her, and that He had the power to change her life in ways she never thought possible. Allah will change your life, but first you must be willing to change yourself. Have faith, take action, and trust in His plan. Thank you.